Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a text logo using Recraft AI, and also I'll share with you something that you can do when you're creating a logo so the logo look more attractive. Alright, first let's go to Recraft AI and then log into your account. If you don't have any account, I'll leave the link in the video description so you can sign up for free using your email and get 200 extra credits. Anyway, click create new project and just wait for the editor to open. Now click image and then you want to click on this menu and then search for logo, hit enter, and on Recraft there are 4 different styles of logo. There is geometric, typographic, handwritten, and minimal vibrant color or minimal vibrant logo. Sorry about that. And basically, if you want to create a text logo where you can write the name of the organization, then you want to select one of these 3 options. For this example, I'll try to use handwritten logo. Click apply. And now you can describe what is the logo that you want to have. It could be a very elaborate and specific prompt, or you can also just write what is the text that you want to create. But I will try to use a simple description, which is just this one. So generate a logo for a company called ASP Bakery that sells bakery products. Again, you can use a prompt, but you can also just write the name of the logo. And after that, you can adjust the aspect ratio. I think for a logo that is based on text, horizontal aspect ratio is a lot better. And when you're done with all of the settings, you can click Recraft and just wait for this tool to generate some logos for your organization. But later I'll show you another setting that you can apply to make the logo look a bit more attractive. Alright, I got this result, which I think looks pretty cool. Now the first generation wasn't great, but since you can create more and more images, I think you can utilize that to make sure that AI is creating a logo that is readable. Now another thing that I want to share with you is that you can actually apply color to that logo, actually create a new logo with color. So in order to do that, you can, I'm going to copy this first, and basically before you hit the Recraft button, you can click this button and then select the color palette that you want. If you're using the Pro version, you can actually select the color, but if you don't, then you can just click this button to randomize the color that you can use for the logo. So I'll try to use, let's say, a brown or somewhat beige color, and you can click Recraft. So it will create a new logo, but with that color setting. And I think given that I was trying to create a logo for a bakery company, using brownish color would be appropriate. So I guess that's going to look a bit better than this regular black and white logo, although you can actually use it, you can also use other third-party tools to modify this logo. So this is the result. Well, I think it's not much different actually, but at least we have a nice background color. And again, if you're not quite happy with the result, you can click this button, the Recraft button, again to get a different result. So that's basically it. And by the way, if you want to download the logo, you can right click on it and then click export as JPEG, PNG, or SVG. If you want to use, let's say, Illustrator to modify the logo, or maybe you want to apply a different setting, then you can download it as SVG. But if you want to apply it to a social media or to a website page, you can use PNG or JPEG. So that's how you can create a text logo using Recraft AI. If you find this tutorial to be useful, then please subscribe to this channel and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.